for maintenance work.
The state government has directed the mobile service providers to immediately clear their pending electricity bills to avoid disconnection. Informing this on Friday, Power Minister Abu Tahir Mandal said that if the mobile service providers don't pay the bills for a long time, definitely they should face disconnection. Stating that these mobile service providers have erected mobile towers in around 200 sites across the state, he further said that there are new requests coming to the government for connection, but all these matters are being reviewed frequently.
We are communicating with them that you should pay the bills immediately, else we'll be disconnecting. Second thing is that new requests are also coming to the government for connection and all these things. All this matter we are reviewing frequently. So if they don't pay the bill for quite a long time, definitely we'll disconnect. But then we take little bit cautiously this one also, because the moment we disconnect, then anywhere that networking problem also will be there.